I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the accounts involved so you avoid duplicating progress or losing purchases. First, verify your Epic account email and enable two-factor authentication. This prevents linking errors. Once done, sign out of Fortnite and any console profiles. Next, open the Epic Games launcher or log into the Epic account portal in a browser. You'll need to select Account, then Connections. These first steps establish the secure, verified base required to link an already associated Fortnite account. Now you execute the link. Go to Account, Connections, then Platforms and find the console or store you want connected. Click Connect and sign into that platform when prompted. Accept Epic's permission request so items and progress can sync. If Epic warns of existing associations, make an informed choice. Unlink the older account first or designate which profile remains primary. Make sure to read conflict notices. They explain why some purchases or stats might not transfer and how to preserve the data you value. Finish by verifying the platform now appears under Connections and then relaunch Fortnite so the service can synchronize purchases and progress. Test key items, V-Bucks, Battle Pass status, and skins on each linked platform to confirm they are accessible. If something didn't sync, try clearing the launcher or console cache and re-signing into both accounts. This often resolves token errors. If problems persist, contact Epic support and include both account ID and a concise description so they can reconcile an already linked Fortnite account quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.